We're trying to rekindle something.
Parang I think whatever makes me happy na lang. Di ba?
Kasaysayang maituturing na pagsamahin sa isang napakalaking Valentine concert ang mga bigating mga awit ng bansa na sina Ogie Alcacid, Regine Velasquez, Martin Rivera at Pops Fernandez.
Siyempre, Valentine's Day today, full of romantic feelings, pero all of us are very excited. Masaya eh. Yeah. Tsaka, nabalita ko ba na CNN pala kami. Apparently, in the world today, one of the places to go to is the Force of Concert.
I'm so glad to be part of it. 1/4 of the history tonight. It's an honor to perform with Regine and Ogie. I used to watch Ogie ever since I was a kid.
Dahil nataong araw ng mga puso ang kanilang foursome concert sa SM Mall of Asia Arena, paano pinakilig ni na Ogie at Martin ang kanilang mga misis?
Kagabi, pag-uwi namin, dumating na yung flowers na in-order ko, and then I gave her a card. And then hello, Homer. Thank you very much. Then I gave her a box of heart-shaped chocolates. Medyo mahirap hanapin yun ngayon eh. So, inuwi ko pa yun from the States nung last trip ko. So, tinago ko siya dun sa fridge. Kasi may fridge ako dun sa music room ko eh. Kasi pag nakita niya dun sa fridge nung fridge namin, tataka yun. Ganyan na to.
I think hindi pa iwasan yung kilig factor when it comes to Pops and I, because everybody was part of our relationship.
Samantala, dalawa sa mga nanood ng naturang concert ng agaw pansin ang off and on sweethearts na sina Dr. Vicky Bello at Hayden Co. Ayon kay Bello, nakasuporta pa rin daw siya kay Hayden ngayong aktibo ito sa showbiz sa kabila ng nangyari.
Oo nga eh. Well, I'm excited for his movie. Medyo matagal nang ginagawa, di ba? Whatever makes him happy. Okay lang naman ako. Whatever makes him happy talaga.
Pero paano nga ba nila ilalarawan ngayon ang kanilang relasyon?
Kasi whenever we're together talaga, nagiging malas. So sabi namin, huwag na tayo mag-together para mas maganda yung, ano ba tayo? Hindi ko alam.
No, we're very good friends until now. I guess yes, you can say that we are. I guess you can say that we see each other often, and we're trying to rekindle something.
Does Hayden think that in the end, sila pa rin ni Vicky?
Time will tell.
Naresolba na ba ni Hayden ang di nila pagkakaunawaan ng anak ni Vicky na sina Quark at Crystal?
Actually, si Quark and him, nung hindi pa kami talaga promise kasi malas ngayon. But when Hayden and I were, sila naman naging close friends. And then si Crystal, parang I think whatever makes me happy na lang. Di ba? Oh, she just likes to see me smile.